And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's have Megan.
Happy 18th birthday po, Tita Bea.
Thank you very much, Megan. And this time, let us have Nixie.
Happy 18th birthday, Twin, Ate Bea, my favorite cousin. I pray that you win in life, achieve all your dreams, and get everything you want. I will always here to support you, and I'm always proud of you. Stay pretty and kind, Twin. Love you.
Thank you very much, Nixie. And this time, let us have Bien. And moving on to our next candle, we have Jade.
Happy birthday, Tia. Sana huwag na matigas ang ulo mo, ha? Lagi ka susunod kay Mami, ha? Tsaka kay Mama, tsaka kay Papa, ha? Huwag ka naman pasaway.
Thank you very much, Jade. And next in line is you. We have Wendy.
Hi, Pretty Bea. Happy 18th birthday. I wish you all happiness and best in life. Make sure Mami proud. Okay? Sana matapos mo yung pag-aaral mo. Alam mo yung sakripisyo ng Mami mo. Ha? Love you.
Thank you very much, Wendy. And this time, let us have Tate.
Happy birthday, Bea. Mag-aral kang mabuti, no? Love ka ni ate. Makinig ka kay Mami, eh. Yun lang.
Thank you very much, Miss Tate. And this time, let us have Marian. Alright, so I think Marian is not yet here. So let us now proceed to our next candle. We have Michelle. And moving on to our next candle, we have Kyla. Next in line, we have Maurice.